SMTP, POP3, and IMAP each have a unique role in the email communication process. But what exactly are their roles, and what are the differences between these protocols? Tune in to find out. Hello, and welcome to Mailtrap Videos, where we explore the world of emails. Just as the postal services deliver your grandma's birthday card to you every year, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, also known as SMTP, delivers emails sent across the internet every day. To complete the email sending, an email client connects and forwards a message to an SMTP server. The server then uses a mail transfer agent to check if the domain names of the recipient and the sender are the same. In the case of different domain names, SMTP will communicate with the domain name system to retrieve the recipient's IP address and send the email to the correct recipient server. For retrieving and managing emails, two popular protocols are used: IMAP and POP3. Internet Message Access Protocol, commonly referred to as IMAP, requires a stable internet connection and keeps the emails stored on a server. As IMAP syncs changes across devices, the protocol is particularly useful for those who want to access their emails across multiple devices simultaneously. Post Office Protocol version 3, or POP3 on the other hand, is a protocol designed for situations when internet access is limited. The protocol downloads all the messages from a server and then deletes them. So with POP3, instead of a server, emails are stored locally, and users can access them from only one device at a time. So which of the mentioned protocols should you use? This largely depends on three things. 1. Your specific email needs. 2. How you access your emails. And 3. How you prefer to manage your emails. If you're looking to send emails, SMTP is the only choice among the three protocols. While if you want a protocol to help you access and manage your email messages, both POP3 and IMAP will do the job. For accessing emails on multiple devices, you'll need to use IMAP. But if you plan on accessing them from just one device, go for POP3. Management-wise, with IMAP, you'll have minimal local management as your emails are stored on servers with actions synced across devices. POP3, however, downloads emails to your device, often removing them from the server, which is great if you prefer to keep a local copy and manage emails yourself. And that's a wrap on our brief exploration of the three most popular email protocols. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send, and control your email infrastructure in one place. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More email-related content is on the way. See you there!